Okay, good afternoon children. The previous class we discussed about fractions, how many type of fractions and equivalent fractions. Now I continue class, second class. Next one, second one, write 5 equivalent fraction for 4/7. A given fraction 4/7. Now write 5 equivalent fractions. You ask question, write 5 equivalent fractions. Answer, solution, the equivalent fraction for 4/7. 4/7 multiplied by 2. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. 2/2. 4 2 jars 8. 7 2 jars 14. The next one 4/7 into after number 3. Take 3. And numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 4 3 jars 12. 7 3 jars 21. The next one 4/7 into multiplied by 4/4. 4 4 jars 16. 7 4 jars 28. Next 4/7 after number 5 multiplied by 5. 4 5 jars 20 by 7 5 jars 35. The next one 4/7 into 6/6 multiplied by 6. 4 6 jars 24 by 7 6 jars 42. These are equivalent fractions because 4/7 is equal to 8/14 is equal to 12/21 is equal to 16/28 is equal to 20/35 is equal to 24/42. This table cancel. 4 2 jars 8. 7 2 jars 14. Same table cancel 2. 4 2 jars 8. 7 2 jars 14. This fraction divisible by 3. 3 4 4 3 jars 12. 7 3 jars 21. This fraction divisible by 4. 4 4 jars 16. 7 4 jars 28. This fraction divisible by 5. 5 4 jars 20. 7 5 jars 35. This number 6. 4 5 jars, sorry. 4 6 jars 24. 7 4 jars 7 6 jars 48. 42. 4/7 is equal to 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 4/7. These fractions are equal. This is the equivalent fraction of 4/7 is equal to 4/7 is equal to 4/7 equal to 4/7. All fractions are equal. Okay, next one we are going to comparison of fractions. What is the comparison? We are going next one, comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. What is the comparison? Comparison means which is the biggest and smallest fraction. How to the compare the like fractions of the like fractions for the like fractions for 1/5 and 1/5 and 3/5. 3/5. What is the type of fractions? 1/5 and 3/5. This is like fraction. Already given like fraction. 1/5 and 3/5 I told about like fraction. What is the like fraction? A fraction having denominator same number, that is called like fraction. 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. Which is the greatest fraction? Which is the biggest fraction? To identify 3 by 5 is biggest fraction because 3 is more. 3 by 5 is more than 1 by 5. 3 by 5 is the biggest fraction. The biggest fraction. 3 by 5 is more than 1 by 5. 3 by 5 greater than 1 by 5 or 1 by 5 less than 3 by 5. 1 by 5 is less than 3 by 5. Okay, understand? Next one. How do they compare unlike fraction? How do they compare unlike fraction? Unlike fraction for 5 by 7 and 5 by 7 and 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Given two fractions here, 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. What is the type of fraction? 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. Denominator different values given here. This is unlike fraction. Now we convert to the like fraction. These numbers convert to the like fraction. 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. Take first one. What is the fraction number? 5 by 7 into the opposite number denominator and 4 multiplied by 4. 4 by 4. What is the opposite number? 4 is given. We take 4. 4 by 4. 5 4 just 20 by 7 4 just 28. Next one. Take opposite number. Next number 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into the opposite number, which is denominator number 7. 7 is denominator number. Multiplied by 7, numerator and denominator. 7 by 7. 7 by 7. 3 7 is 21. 4 7 is 28. 20 by 28 and 21 by 28. 28 equal numbers. Same number. Denominator having same number, that is unlike fraction. Who converted a like fraction. This is like fraction. Converted like fraction. 25 by 7 is equal to 20 by 28. And 3 by 4 is equal to 21 by 28. Which is biggest number? What is the number biggest number? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the biggest number. Biggest number. 3 by 4 greater than 5 by 7. 3 by 4 is more than 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is less than or 5 by 7 less than 3 by 4. 5 by 7 is less than 3 by 4. Okay, next one. Which is bigger? Which is bigger? Which is bigger? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 and 3 by 5 or 3 by 5 or 3 by 5. What is the type of fractions? Unlike fractions. Because denominator different values given here, this is unlike fraction. We convert to the like fractions. 5 by 8, take first fraction. 5 by 8 into the opposite denominator number 5 multiplied by 5. Numerator denominator multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25 by 8 5 is 40. Next number, second number 3 by 5. The opposite denominator number 8. And numerator and denominator multiplied by 8. 8 by 8. 3 8 is 24. 5 8 is 40. This is like fraction. We converted for like fractions. 25 40, 24 by 40. These two fractions like fractions. Which is biggest number? You ask question which is biggest. Which is biggest? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is biggest fraction. Biggest fraction 5 by 8 greater than 3 by 5 or 3 by 5 less than 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5 or 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 8. The ask question biggest. What is the biggest number? 5 by 8 is biggest fraction. 5 by 8 is biggest fraction. Next one, another one. A simplest form. Already we learned simplest form in the 6th class. Again, I discussed about simplest form. Third one, determine if the following pairs are equal by writing each in the simplest form. Already given four sums, one by one I write. 3 by 8 and 375 by 1000. These numbers are equal, yes or no? 3 by 8 and second fraction 375 by 1000. 3 by 8 and 375 by 1000 given. 375 by 1000, right? Simplest form. Which table cancel? 125 table. A numerator denominator same table cancel. 3 into 125. 125 is 375 and 8 125 is 1000. 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Both are equal. This is simple change in the simplest form. A second one, a second sum, 18 by 54, 18 by 54 and 23 by 69. 23 by 69. 18 by 54 and 23 by 69. Two fractions given to compare. We ask question. Pairs are equal by writing each in the simplest form. Now we change simplest form. 1 18 is 3 18 is 54. 123 is 3 23 is 69. Both are equal. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. A third one, 6 by 10. 6 by 10 and 600 by 1000. 600 by 1000. 6 by 10 and 600 by 1000. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 6 by 10 and 6 by 10. 6 by 10 equal to 6 by 10. Both are equal. 6 by 10 is equal to 6 by 10. You change the simplest form. Last one, a fourth one, 17 by 27. 17 by 27. 70 by 27 and 25 by 45. And 25 by 45. 70 by 27. 70 by 27 is fraction, one fraction. Another fraction given 25 by 45. Not divisible any table. This fraction. This fraction divisible by 5. 5 5 is 25. 9 5 is 45. 5 by 9. 17 by 27 not equal to 5 by 9. This is simplest form is 5 by 9. 17 by 27 not equal to 5 by 9. This is simplest form. Okay, next one. Next one. Represent 3 by 4 comma 1 by 4. 3 by 4 comma 1 by 4. 3 by 4 comma 1 by 4 in different ways. In different ways using different figures. Using different figures. Justify your representation. Justify your representation. Justify your representation. Yes, question. Careful listen, everyone. Represent 3 by 4 comma 1 by 4 in different ways using different figures. Justify your representation. Yeah, type of figures. The first one, take scale figures. Scale. Numerator is 3, denominator is 4. Divide 4 parts. Now divide 4 parts. The second one also, right? Draw the figure scale. Divide 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts here? 4 parts. 3 parts numerator, 3 numerator, 4 is denominator. How many parts shaded? 3 parts shaded. First one 1, second one, third one. 3 parts is shaded, remaining 1 part is unshaded. It is fraction 3 by 4. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 only one part is shaded. Remaining 3 parts are unshaded. It is 1 by 4. What is the type of figure? See scale. The second one, yes, 4 types using different figures. Different 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 in different ways using different figures. The first one, the second one, a circle. This is whole. Circle. How many poles divide? Given denominator place 4. 4 is given. Divide 4 parts. 1, 2. How many parts shaded? 3 parts. 3 is given. Numerator is 3. 3 parts shaded. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. Next fraction is given 1 by 4. Same. Now the circle. Divide 4 parts. 1 part is shaded. Remaining 3 parts are unshaded. 1 part is shaded. This is 1 by 4. This is second figure. This is square. This is circle. A third one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row case. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts here? 4 parts. Already given 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. 3 is numerator, 4 is denominator. 3 parts is shaded. 3 parts are shaded. 3 parts are shaded. unshaded. Remaining part is unshaded. 3 by 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4 is given. One part is shaded. Remaining 3 parts are unshaded. One part is shaded. Remaining parts are unshaded. This is fraction 1 by 4. This is fraction 1 by 4. This is quarter. 1 by 4 means quarter. Next one, fourth one. This is triangle. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts given. 4 parts given. 3 by 4 is given. 3 parts are shaded. Remaining 1 part unshaded. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is fraction. And next one, 1 by 4. One part is shaded, remaining parts are unshaded. 1 by 4. The 3 by 4 is proper fraction. 1 by 4 is also proper fraction. Because what is proper fraction? I already told about proper fraction. 3 by 4. 3 is less than 4. A fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. 3 by 4 is proper fraction. 1 by 4 is also proper fraction. Next one. We are going to exercise 1. We are going to exercise 1. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Compute the following. Compute the following. Compute the following and express the result and express the result. Express the result as a mixed fraction. As a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. To identify the mixed fraction, now given 6 sums. First one, 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4 given. 2 is one number. 3 by 4 is proper fraction. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4 convert to the mixed fraction. 2, 3 by 4. 2, 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. 2, 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. The second sum, second one, 7 by 9. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. These fractions are unlike fractions. Because denominator different values given here. Denominator having different values. Denominator having different values. We convert to the like fraction. Take find LCM of 9 and 3. 9 and 3. Now find LCM 9, 3. Table cancel 3 table. 3 3 is 9. 1 3 is 3. 3 into 1. 3 3 is 9. What is LCM? LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. LCM 9. 7 by 9. 9, how many times cancel 9? 1 time. 7 into 1 by 1. 7 1 is 7. By 9 1 is 9. Next take second number. Next fraction number 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 3, how many times 9 table? 9. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. 3 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3 is 9. This is these two fractions are like fractions. Now I convert to the converted like fractions. 7 by 9 plus 3 by 9. 7 by 9 plus 3 by 9. LCM 9. 7 plus 3. Added in numerator numbers. Added numerator numbers. 7 plus 3. 10. 10 by 9. 10 by what is type of number? What is type of fraction? 10 by 9 improper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. 9 1 9 plus 9 remainder 1 1 by 9 1 by 9 is mixed fraction. 1 by 9 is mixed fraction. 9 1 plus 9 9 plus 1 10 10 by 9 10 by 9 is improper fraction converted to the mixed fraction. 1 by 9 1 by 9. Next one 1 minus 4 by 7. Next fraction 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7 minus means subtraction. 1 minus 4 by 7. 4 by 7 subtracted from 1 by 1. What is the LCM? 1 7 is 7. LCM of 1 and 7. 1 and 7 is 7. 7. 7 1 is 7. Minus 7 7 how many times cancel? 1 time cancel. 1 into 4 4. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 how much? 3. 3 by 7. What is the type of fraction? Proper fraction. Because numerator is less than denominator. This is proper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. Next one 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 3. What is the fraction? Mixed fraction. Because one whole number and one proper fraction. This is mixed fraction. Plus 1 by 2 is proper fraction. Addition 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. We change 2 by 3. Convert to the improper fraction. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 6 plus 2 8 by 3. 8 by 3 improper fraction. What improper fraction plus 1 by 2. What is the type of fractions? These fractions are unlike. These fractions are unlike. Now find LCM. Now find LCM. LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2 3 2 is 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 8 by 3. 8 by 3. What is the operator numerator number? Denominator number 2. 8 by 3 into multiplied by 2. 8 2 is 16 by 3 2 is 6. Next another take number 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into what is the operator number 3 multiplied by 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is flip. Now converted 6 6 denominator and the same number. This is like fraction. This is like fraction. 16 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Fraction 6. 16 plus 3 19. 19 by 6. What is the type of number? What is the number? What is the fraction? What is the type of fraction? Improper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. 6 19. 3 6 is 18, remainder 1, 1 by 6. Mixed fraction 3, 1 by 6. 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 by 6. This is improper fraction, convert to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is 3, 1 by 6. Next another one, 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Fifth one, 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 8 and 1 by 6 unlike fractions. 5 by 8 and 1 by 6 are unlike fractions because denominator different values given. Denominator having different values. Denominator having different values. Okay, 8 6 LCM of 8 and 6. 8 and 6. Find LCM. 2 table cancel. 4 2 just 8. 3 2 just 6. 2 into 4 into 3. 2 4 just 8. 8 3 just 20. What is the LCM? 24. 24 is LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. 5 by 8. 8 20 how many times cancel? 3 times. Into multiplied by 3 numerator denominator. 3 by 3. 5 3 just 15 by 8 3 just 24. Another number 1 by 6. How many times cancel in 24? 6. 4 6 are 24. Into divided by 4. 4 by 4. 1 4 just 4. 6 4 just 24. So converted like fractions because denominator having same number 24 and 24. 15 by 24. 15 by 24 minus 4 by 24. 15 minus 4 by 24. 11 by 24. 11 by 24 is proper fraction. Okay? Next class I will continue exercise 2. Okay?